Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer feedback with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. To increase customer feedback using Typeform, start by creating an account on their website. Once logged in, select Create Typeform to begin designing your survey. Choose a template that aligns with your feedback goals or start from scratch. Add a title that clearly communicates the purpose of your survey. Incorporate a mix of question types, such as multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended questions. Make sure your questions are concise and easy to understand for the respondents. Utilize Typeform's design options to customize the appearance of your survey. Incorporate images or videos if they enhance the user experience and engagement. Set logic jumps to tailor the survey flow based on respondents' answers. Preview your Typeform to ensure it functions as intended and looks appealing. Once satisfied, publish your Typeform and obtain the shareable link. Promote your survey through various channels, such as email, social media, or your website. Consider incentivizing feedback with discounts or entry into a contest to boost participation. Monitor responses in real time through the Typeform dashboard to stay updated on feedback. Analyze the collected data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Use the insights gained to make informed decisions that enhance customer satisfaction. Regularly update your Typeform to keep your survey relevant and engaging. Encourage ongoing feedback by making it easy for customers to respond frequently. Engagement and follow-up can foster a culture of open communication with your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.